Hi everyone, welcome to Academia Learning. Today we will be discussing complete solved paper of Sub Inspector, and the paper was held on 1st Feb 2021. प्रीवियस जो पेपर्स थे वो ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर दिए गए हैं 31st डेट के. ये जो है अभी 1st Feb का अपलोड करें. Heading to the first question, fathometer is used to measure. The right answer to this question is ocean path. And next question is, which of the following has no skeleton at all? The right answer is jellyfish. Heading to the next question, State Bank of Pakistan was inaugurated on. The right answer is 1st July 1948. We have next question, 1 gram of gold is equal to how many milligrams of gold? The right answer is 1000 mg. Next question is, what is the capital of Brazil? The answer to this question is Brasilia. Up to the next question, Harare is the capital of. The right answer is Zimbabwe. Next question is, name of Joe Biden's party is. The answer to this question is Democratic Party. Basically, to which party Biden belongs to. Heading to the next question, name of the current federal minister of Ministry of Narcotics Control. The answer to this question is none of these, and the right answer to this question is Ijaz Shah. Next question is, which blood group is called as universal donor? The right answer is O. Heading towards the next MCQs, what is the diameter of Earth? Right answer is 12,756 kilometers. Next question is, the headquarters of Asian Development Bank is located at. The right answer is Manila. Akhori Dam is located in which city? Which province? The right answer is Punjab. Next question is, which of the following is landlocked country? The right answer is Afghanistan. Next question is, Taklamakan Desert is located in which country? The answer is China. Heading to the next question, which of the following river crosses the equator twice? The right answer is Congo River. Next question is, Einstein was awarded Nobel Prize for his work. Which work? The answer to this question is Theory of Photoelectric Effect. Next question is, NATO stands for. The answer is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Heading to the next question, we got oil and gas from. The answer is fossil fuels. Next question is, M8 motorway commences from. Sakhar to Gwadar is the answer. Next question is, name of the present naval chief of Pakistan. The answer to this question is Admiral Amjad Khan Niazi. Now we will have some of the MCQs of English. The question is, she has been waiting dash 3 hours. The answer is for 3 hours. Next question is, you ought to abide dash the decision. The answer is by. Next question is, who is incapable of being tired? The answer is indefatigable. Next question is, that which cannot be believed. The answer is incredible. Next question is, pick the correct word. The answer to this question is testimony. Next question is, they will not call dash the meeting. The answer to this question is off the meeting. Heading to the next question, the culprit has been charged dash murder. The answer is with murder. Next question is, he attributed his failure in the examination dash tough paper. To tough paper. The answer is 2. Heading to the next question, although he is rich dash he is very humble. The answer is yet. Next question is, he is not eligible dash this post. The answer is for. The next question is, at the sight of a joker in the circus he burst dash laughter. The answer is into. Answer is into laughter. Now, next question is grief means. The answer is sorrow. Next question is cajole means. The answer is lower. Depends upon pronunciations. Next question is hue means. The answer is color. Next question is choose the correct sentence. The answer to this question is family members love each other. This is the right sentence. Next question is if you had spoken the truth, you dash escaped punishment. The answer is would have. Next question is they were making noise when the teacher dashed the class. The answer is entered. In this basically we have to tell what this sign is called. The answer is exclamation mark. Next question is as you dash so shall you reap. The answer is so. Next question is where Hazrat Isa alayhi salam was born. The answer to this question is Baitul Laham. In which war or Ghazwa Hazrat Hamza Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha was martyred? The answer is Ghazwa Uhud. Next question is first mosque constructed by Holy Prophet peace be upon him. The answer is Mosque Quba. Next question is how many names of prophets are mentioned in the Holy Quran? The answer to this question is 26. Next question is when jihad was made obligatory? Basically in which Hijri? The answer to this question is 2nd Hijri. Next question is in which surah Bismillah has been mentioned twice? The answer is Surah Namal. Next question is the year of sorrow was. The answer is 619 AD is the answer. And next question is Abbasid Khilafat started from. The answer to this question is 750 AD to 1258 AD. Next question is which of the following surah is called the Zenith of Quran? The right answer is Surah Rahman. Heading to the next question, when did the last revelation came in? The answer is 10th Hijri. Next question is which sin will not be forgiven by Allah? The answer to this question is shirk. Next question is when was the first Jummah prayer offered? The answer is 1st Hijri. Heading to the next question, how many takbirs are offered in Eid prayer? The answer to this question is 6. Next question is Saifullah is the title of. The answer is Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Next question is self-respect to humankind is granted by. The answer to this question is divine books. Next question is which of the following is the biggest Islamic country with respect to population? The answer is Indonesia. Next question is where is the biggest glacier situated in Islamic country? The answer is Tajikistan. Next question is when OIC was formed? The answer is 1969. Next question is where is the headquarter of ASEAN? The answer to this question is Indonesia. Heading to the next question, East India Company was formed. The answer is 1600. Next question is how many constitutions have been so far promulgated in Pakistan? The answer to this question is 3. Next question is when did Quaid-e-Azam present his 14 points? The answer to this question is 31st March 1920. Heading to the next question, from where did Allama Muhammad Iqbal obtained his degree in PhD? The answer is Germany. Next question is who has given the presidential speech on 1930 at Allahabad? The answer is Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Next question is objective resolution of Pakistan was passed in which year? The answer is 1949. Next question is where Chaudhry Rahmat Ali was buried? The answer is United Kingdom. Next question is who is the head of state according to the Constitution of 1973? The answer is President. Heading to the next question, who was the first president of Pakistan? The answer is General Iskandar Mirza. Next question is National Assembly of Pakistan consists of seats. The answer is 342. Heading to the next question, Liaquat Nehru Pact was signed in. The answer is 8 April 1950. Next question is RCD was established in. The answer is 21st July 1964. RCD stands for Regional Cooperation for Development. Next question is name the movement which was started with the cooperation of Hindus and Muslims. The answer is Khilafat movement. Next question is when did Pakistan become member of WTO? The answer is 1st January 1995. WTO stands for World Trade Organization. Next question is who is the head of cabinet? The answer is Prime Minister. Next question is where is the secretariat of SAARC? The answer is Kathmandu. Next question is where is Lake Saif al-Maluk? The answer is Naran Kagan Valley. Heading to the next question, Nanga Parbat peak is located in. The answer is Himalayan range. Up to the next question, total reserved seats for women in National Assembly of Pakistan is. The answer is 60. Next question is old name of Attock is. The answer is Campbellpur. Heading to the next question, how many regional directorates are in ANF? The right answer is. Next question is the headquarter of ANF is situated in which province? The right answer is Punjab. Heading to the next question, the constitution of ANF is under. The answer is ANF Act 1997. Now, ANF is dash law enforcement agency. The answer is federal. Next question is where is the ANF Academy? Basically in which city? The answer is Islamabad. Next question is BPS of Joint Director in ANF is. The answer is 19. BPS basically stands for Basic Pay Scale. Heading to the next question, ANF was raised in which year? The answer is 1995. Next question is Ministry of Narcotics Control was established in. The answer is August 2017. Heading to the next question, what is the rank of Director General of ANF? The answer is Major General. Next question is how many police stations of ANF are operational in Pakistan? The right answer is 20. Next question is what is summons? The answer is order to attend the court for compensations. Next question is what do you understand by term of warrant? The right answer is order of the court for arrest of any person. The next question is where is the headquarter of UNODC is located in? Basically which country? The answer is Vienna, Austria. Next question is term of SHO stands for. The right answer is Station House Officer. Next question is term of AMLA stands for. The right answer is Anti-Money Laundering Authority. Next is term of FIR stand for. The answer is First Information Report. Next question is Golden Crescent is the name given to dash countries. The right answer is Afghanistan, Iran, Pakistan. Next question is MOU stands for. The answer is Memorandum of Understanding. Thanks for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more of these videos. Thanks.